Hey, this is Brant with Vintage Statements, and today we've got kind of a passion project. We're going to make some little piggies out of this live wood, so follow along. Alright, so what we got here is some pieces that are very thin in width but not in thickness, so that'll give us enough thickness for them to set stable on the ground or on a tabletop or wherever you're going to put them, but they're also thick enough too where I can round the edges, give them a little more plump feel to them. I've got all of these little piglets set up, just a trace of a printout. So what we're going to do is we've cut out from like 8-inch all the way down to about 4-inch because we've got some 4-inch thickness through here. And we're just going to try to make as many printouts as we can, and then from there we'll cut each one individually out, skill saw it out, and well, then we can start sanding, and then which will take quite a bit of time. All this is going to take quite a bit of time. This wood's so thick it's hard to cut. So we'll go from all these steps. Once we get to the end, I think the end result's going to be pretty cool. And well, there's not really any money in this, but it's a cool little project that I could do since I've already finished my other projects for the day. So let's get started setting these out, drawing as many as we can on this wood.
Next level.
So what we're going to do is use our skill saw the best we can. We're going to stay outside the lines here and cut it out, and then we'll clean it up with belt sanders, the Dremel, anything we have around here to get these as close as possible, and then we can do some finalized sanding. This is going to be fun. This wood is actually almost too thick for the skill saw. It may not work, but we're going to give it a try.
Next level.
right, here's our here's our rough outline of our pig. So we'll go from here. We're gonna put it on the belt sander here a little bit. Disc sander if we need to. From there, we'll start using the Dremel to sand it down even more. I don't know how much we're gonna get with this. It's kind of like a trial one. So let's get started. See what happens. Alright, we got our little pig done. One done. We've got, I think, 7 more to do, which this wood is really thick. Makes this project a lot harder. Luckily, it's just a fun project we're doing. So, we're going to put a little clear wax on it, or beeswax with the orange oil. I really like this product. It holds the condition of the wood really long. We're going to do this one, and each couple days or each couple weeks we'll cut out another one. We'll make a little family out of it, and then I'll have the final video for you once we get all that done.
So I asked for a farm, and instead I got some wood little pigs. At least they're cute, so we can give them that much. Bella seems to like them, and there's going to be more. So if you like these projects or any of our other projects, follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and let us know what you think.